This is a really good question. Lahat po ba ng naka-digital nomad visa in Spain, automatic magbabayad ng tax? What if yung client mo is Philippine-based and they're already paying for your taxes and social security? So first of all, we've discussed this before, but basically kasi, when applying for the digital nomad visa, there are two pathways. So basically, either self-employed ka, which is independent contractor, or employed. Yung meaning ng employed is under ka pa rin ng company but you're fully remote, so pwede kang magtrabaho sa Spain. But the complication there is you have to establish basically na magbabayad sila or kailangan ka nilang i-enroll sa social security and taxes in Spain. So that means may extra steps for your company so that you can apply for the Spain Digital Nomad Visa. Unlike when you are an independent contractor, kahit malose mo tong job na to or mag-add ka ng additional clients, that's why a lot of people like to go through the route of self-employment. Kasi mawala man yung client mo, mapalitan man, or mag-add ka ng client mo, it's fine kasi you're paying your own social security and taxes in Spain. So, ikaw mismo yung magre-register kasi self-employed. So, hindi kailangan na nakadepende yung visa mo doon sa employment mo or sa employer mo mismo. So, that's just a quick tip and that's a very good question. And if you guys have any questions or need clarification, please drop your comments down below. And thank you so much for watching. Ciao!